Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use TikTok Clear Cache feature. Now, clearing your TikTok cache is a great way to free up storage and fix common performances issues like app lag or video playback glitches. In 2026, the process is streamlined directly within the application's setting. All you have to do is go ahead and tap on your profile icon on the bottom right. Head to your menu by tapping it on these three horizontal lines on the top right. From there, you should be able to find this option called Setting and Privacy. Go ahead and click on it. From there, head to Cache and Cellular option. From here, you should be able to find this free up space. Go ahead and click on it. Now you will find this cache option. And you will also find this clear option right next to it. All you have to do is go ahead and tap on this and confirm to clear. And as you can see, the TikTok's cache has been cleared from your device. And that is how you can do it, guys. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.